Guys, now our ID is completed, it's downloaded. So let's go to open. Okay, so yes. So let's wait for it to finish installing. It will take a while, so you don't have to worry about that. Accept. You can read through the license agreements. Then you specify the installed folder and also the JDK folder. Remember, we choose the default JDK folder, so automatically it will be linked to it. But no, you have to know that without the JDK, you can't use NetBeans. You have to install the JDK because the NetBeans works with the JDK hand in hand. I think checking for updates automatically is okay. So install. It will take a little while, so let's wait for it. You can relax. Okay, so you can see the shortcuts has appeared on the desktop. The time that it will take to install depends on the type of computer that you are using. If it is very fast, it will take less time. It's slow, it will take more time. So you just have to sit and relax. Programming in Java is not difficult. It's just that you need a lot of time and practice. And you usually get there. It's not something that you really need to worry about. If you really want to learn it, you can learn. Okay, so our NetBeans is fully installed. This one is just a blank file. Okay, so let's launch the NetBeans. You double click to launch. Okay, so our NetBeans is fully installed. So how to start your first Java program? You go to add, you go to file, then you go to new projects. So you can see there are different types of projects. Java with Marvin, Java with Gradle. I think this one is for Android development. But I think if you are using the Android Studio for Android, it's really, really better. Learning Java is very good because you can actually develop apps for Android. And I'm going to make a tutorial on how to write apps in Android with the studio, the Android Studio. Okay, so let's select this one and select a Java application. Then you go to next. Because this is the first time we are launching this application, so I think it will take a little bit to um, finish. I think you have an information. Okay. I just wanted to write our first Java program so that we will continue from a new video, but it seems we have to download something to. Okay, I think it's done. So Java is an object-oriented program. Object-oriented means you can actually include classes and methods. Um, and it's very interesting. If you really want to learn it, it's very interesting. So this one is the project name. Let's name it our first project. So first project. And you have to make sure that every project name should start with a capital letter. Okay, so let's go to finish. Okay, so it's done. So you have to go to files. Um, I think this is actually new. Okay, so this is our first project. I think there is something loading. It's a bit slow. Um, I think there is something loading in the background. Okay, let's try this and see. We have to get um we were supposed to get a page that we can write our first program, but I think there are some changes in this new um okay, but I'll let me finish with everything, then I'll get back to you.